Antihypertensive drugs. Overview and key classes. Antihypertensive medications are used to manage high blood pressure, hypertension, by targeting various physiological pathways. Below is an organized summary of the main classes, their mechanisms, examples, indications, and side effects. 1. Diuretics mechanism. Reduce blood volume by increasing sodium and water excretion. Subclasses. Thiazides, for example, hydrochlorothiazide, first line for uncomplicated hypertension. Loop diuretics, for example, furosemide, used in severe hypertension or heart failure. Potassium sparing, for example, spironolactone, prevent hypokalemia, useful in heart failure. Side effects: electrolyte imbalances, hypokalemia, hyperuricemia, dehydration. 2. ACE inhibitors. ACE's mechanism: inhibit angiotensin converting enzyme, reducing angiotensin II, vasoconstrictor, and increasing bradykinin, vasodilator. Examples: lisinopril, enalapril. Indications: preferred in diabetes, chronic kidney disease, CKD, or heart failure. Side effects: dry cough, bradykinin-related hyperkalemia, angioedema. 3. Angiotensin II receptor blockers. ARB's mechanism: block angiotensin II receptors, AT1, preventing vasoconstriction. Examples: losartan, valsartan. Indications: alternative to ACEs if cough occurs. Side effects: less cough than ACEs, otherwise similar, hyperkalemia. 4. Calcium channel blockers. CCB's mechanism: block L-type calcium channels, causing vasodilation. Subclasses: dihydropyridines, for example, amlodipine, primarily vasodilatory, used in isolated systolic hypertension. Non-dihydropyridines, for example, diltiazem, also reduce heart rate, used in angina. Side effects: edema, dizziness, constipation. Non-dihydropyridines. 5. Beta blockers mechanism: reduce heart rate and cardiac output by blocking beta-1 adrenergic receptors. Examples: metoprolol, atenolol. Indications: post-myocardial infarction, heart failure, arrhythmias. Side effects: fatigue, bradycardia, exacerbation of asthma. 6. Alpha-1 blockers mechanism: block peripheral alpha-1 receptors, causing vasodilation. Examples: doxazosin, prazosin. Indications: secondary option, beneficial in benign prostatic hyperplasia, BPH. Side effects: orthostatic hypotension, dizziness. 7. Centrally acting agents mechanism: reduce sympathetic outflow, for example, alpha-2 agonists. Examples: clonidine, methyldopa. Indications: resistant hypertension, methyldopa is safe in pregnancy. Side effects: sedation, dry mouth, rebound hypertension. 8. Vasodilators mechanism: direct relaxation of vascular smooth muscle. Examples: hydralazine, used with nitrates in heart failure, monoxidil, severe cases. Side effects: reflex tachycardia, hydralazine, hypertrichosis, monoxidil. 9. Aldosterone antagonists mechanism: block aldosterone receptors, for example, spironolactone. Indications: resistant hypertension, heart failure. Side effects: hyperkalemia, gynecomastia. Combination therapy rationale: synergistic effects, for example, a C plus diuretic or CCB, to achieve targets with lower doses. Examples: lisinopril/HCTZ, amlodipine/valsartan. Special considerations: comorbidities, diabetes/CKD, ACEs/ARBs for renal protection. heart failure, diuretics, ACEs, beta blockers, spironolactone. Elderly, CCBs or thiazides for isolated systolic hypertension. Contraindications, beta blockers in asthma, ACEs/ARBs in pregnancy. Lifestyle modifications integral to management, salt restriction, weight loss, exercise, and alcohol moderation. This structured approach ensures tailored therapy based on patient-specific factors, optimizing efficacy while minimizing adverse effects.